Hello everyone, welcome to Can Coffee. Here we have a Jura Impressa E9 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the brew unit, the one that you see right here. This one unfortunately broke, and it broke from this little piece that it's supposed to be attached right here. So basically this thing was preventing the brew unit from moving up and down, and it's better to just replace at that point. We also replaced the scraper. This one basically broke. Deep clean everything inside, including the grinder itself. There were very oil. There was a lot of oil surrounding the grinder itself, the chute itself as well. So we basically cleaned everything inside, making sure that oily residue of the beans won't be there. So the next beans won't get stuck, and it's gonna flow more nicely. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna do 7 ounces, which is a pretty long shot, and that's to test the spouts to see if there's any kind of leaking coming from them. I pretty much disassembled them and cleaned them, so it shouldn't be, but you never know, because these things are really hard to actually unclog once they get very clogged. So like I said, we're gonna run a big long shot, and then we're gonna see if it's leaking or not. I might need to raise this up because this is an 8-ounce cup. There you go. Good water flow, good color, good crema. And no leaks coming from the spouts itself. Great! Come on, that should be perfect. Perfect, that means they're not clogged. And now we're gonna be testing the hot water. We also descaled this machine. We had to descale it manually. Good temperature, good water flow. And now for the steam, which is going to take a little bit, since this one has a thermal block, and that needs to create some pressure before it actually can provide some steam. I just made a mess down there. We are going to be using the same one right here, so we can see the steam coming out of the machine. Now it should be ready. 60 seconds of steam, and as you can see, powerful enough, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Jura Impressa E9 working once again. So thank you for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.